In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Poshmark parties to boost sales. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are normally 4 daily parties. So go ahead and participate in that. Poshmark hosts 4 parties daily with different themes. So brand, category, department, and style, providing multiple opportunities to get your items in front of active buyers. So there's going to be 9 a.m. party, which is going to be brand parties, which features specific brands like Lululemon, Louis Vuitton, and so on. There's going to be 12 p.m. party, which is going to be category parties, which is going to focus on items like jewelry, bags, shoes, and so on. There's also going to be a 4 p.m. party, which is going to be department party, which is going to focus on men's, kids, or home. And there's also going to be 7 p.m. party, which is going to be trends based, such as Althesia, cool, or something else like that. The second way you can go ahead and use Poshmark parties to boost sales is going to be by sharing at the right time. So share your items at the very beginning of a party and continue throughout to maximize exposure. Only share items that fit the party's specific theme. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free